Good morning. This is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Monday, July 8th. The first thing we will look at today is the water vapor satellite imagery loop. And what we can see is an upper level low pressure system pushing into Vancouver Island, northwest Washington, with a fairly deep trough for this time of year extending south through Oregon. And we have a lot of moisture ahead of that, as indicated by the green shading over Idaho. And that is going to be a fairly major impact as this upper level trough pushes east today. We are expecting fairly widespread showers and scattered thunderstorms as this system pushes east today with an associated cold front. Looking at the radar loop this morning, we are seeing showers starting to develop in southwest Idaho, northeast Nevada, and southeast Oregon. And all these showers will continue to push east through the day and strengthen, and also will have thunderstorms develop this afternoon with the heating that we have. With the expected thunderstorm development, we have issued a red flag warning generally for zones 425 and 410 where fuels are critical. Any lightning strikes today will likely create some wildfires, and the potential is very high today for wildfire development with the lightning strikes we are expecting. And looking at the weather depiction, we have this cold front pushing east today, and again, showers covering all of Idaho today with scattered thunderstorms expected along the front. As that front pushes east tomorrow, we are expecting dry weather both tomorrow and also Wednesday as an upper level ridge begins to build into the area. And with that, temperatures are going to start to warm fairly quickly tomorrow after a very cool day today. Wind gusts today, we are expecting the highest gusts in the southeast corner, some 20 to 30 mile per hour gusts. Generally 20 to 25 mile per hour gusts possible up the Snake River Plain. And we will likely see thunderstorm outflows where the thunderstorms develop of greater than 30 miles per hour. Tomorrow afternoon, not expecting significant winds the next several days. Again, some 20 mile per hour gusts in the southeast mountains, but generally fairly light winds expected. High temperatures today, very cold for this time of year, generally low to mid 70s in the Snake River Plain, a lot of 60s in the mountains. So with that, we are expecting fairly elevated minimum humidities today. As that system moves out tomorrow, we are going to see, again, significant warming, 5 to 10 degrees warmer tomorrow than today. Still a little bit below normal, generally low 80s Snake River Plain, and mid 60s to mid 70s in the mountains. But then by Wednesday, we are expecting, again, continued rapid warm up. Temperatures shoot above normal by Wednesday. Valley temperatures getting into the 90s and mountains up into the 80s. So after this cool day today, a very quick warm up is expected, and even into Thursday, very warm temperatures, again 90s in the Snake Plain and mid 70s into the 80s in the mountains. Severe weather risk, the extreme northeast eastern corner, Island Park areas, and a marginal risk for severe, and then general thunderstorms covering pretty much the entire rest of the Idaho area. Long-term outlook, 8 to 14 days, slightly better than normal chance of above normal temperatures, and also a slightly better chance of below normal precipitation. So again, after a wet and very cool day today, it looks like we're going to quickly transition into a very typical summer-like pattern with generally warm and dry conditions expected after today and for several days. So again, summarizing, a lot of thunderstorms today, and we have conclude today's briefing. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at this number or go to our website listed below. Thank you.